Hello, my name is Leela Sanchez, and this is a 2D platformer level I created following along with the template using Construct. To start, I would like to talk about setting up the scene. I used a tiled background image, which is an image I can stretch as needed to fill the game scene. I chose mostly assets from the provided Kenny assets, and to create the actual level here, I used the tile map provided with those assets. I do have it open down here in the bottom. I did make a few changes to the default game settings for the view. I left the viewport size default at 854 by 480. And I did make one change to this full screen mode to make it a letterbox scale, and it just makes the game look better once it's in full screen mode. Under the layout 1, I changed the game sheet to be 1920 by 1080 size. And this just allows for the assets to fit better on the grid. For the player, I animated them with provided images. The run and fall animations are my personal favorites. And I also have the player move by keyboard input arrow keys, and shoot is done with the left mouse click. On the event sheet, and this is also my camera that follows the character, I created the smooth follow camera for the game, where every tick it sets its position to the player with a smooth follow effect. Lerp is used to create the effect with the 0.03 as an interpolation factor that controls the speed of the camera. For the platform aspect, I made one moving platform here and a one-way platform, which is the purple platform that has the jump through behavior added onto it, while the moving platform here has the sign behavior attached to it. I also enabled player death on the event sheet for when the player is outside of the layout or when they get hit by an enemy, they will respawn at a previous checkpoint. And the checkpoints are the flags in my level. I also created gems called coins in my level for the player to collect. There is a font sprite UI that I implemented in the top left corner that displays the total number of coins available and how many the player collected. For the enemy, I used a slime asset with a moving animation and events on the event sheet to set the patrol points here, and move the AI using simulate platform by pressing right and left. I also have destructible walls that have an instance variable called hit points on them. In the event sheet, once the hit points become 0, the wall will be destroyed. And now let's do a little demo of the game. Checkpoints, these are the destructible walls. Player death, respawn there. Another checkpoint. Nice. And thanks for watching.